Are you wondering what you're going to do with all those tomatoes that you're going to be harvesting very soon? Well, within a matter of weeks. Well, here's a couple of ideas. Caprese salad done two ways, so stay tuned.
Okay, so continuing on from our last episode, some summertime side dishes. I am going to make today my favorite Italian antipasti. Great for the summer. You got tomatoes, you got nice fresh basil. Hopefully you can get a good place where you can get some really good mozzarella cheese. This is my favorite. It's one of the very first things I had when I arrived in Naples and went to my very first Italian restaurant. They had Caprese as an antipasti, and my friend said, you just got to try this. I tried it, I love it, and we eat it often. So, what goes into Caprese? This is so simple. Okay, you got to make this. If you already haven't, maybe you'll find something different about this that you'll incorporate into your Caprese. It's just cheese, tomato, basil, salt and pepper, a little bit of nice extra virgin olive oil, and you've got one of the best antipastis in the whole world. So I'm going to show you how to do two different ways. There are two important things you must remember about making Caprese. Good cheese, good tomatoes. I've got some nice fior di latte. If you can get your hands on some mozzarella di bufala, use that. I don't think there's too many places around here in the United States that you're going to get it. So this is basically mozzarella made from cow's milk. And I've got two different types. I've got the ball, which came pre-sliced. I kind of like to pre-slice sometimes because I don't do such a good job slicing it sometimes. And then I've got the little ciligile, the cherry mozzarella, which makes these great little kebabs that will wow all your friends at a party. So let me put this together. Got a nice tomato here, like a beefsteak tomato. And normally I just slice these off and kind of layer them onto a plate. I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. And hopefully it comes out. If it don't, this gets erased and you're going to see slices. So I'm going to cut almost all the way down through. Probably about a 1/4 inch to the bottom, from the bottom. So I can spread this open. Some nice slices, and I have taken the stem off. That one may have went a little bit too far. That's what I'm kind of feeling there. So then I'm going to go ahead and spread this open just a little bit, and I'm going to take my mozzarella. I'm going to place them in between each slice. Get that in there. I think I'm going to have just enough. There we go. Then I'm going to take my basil leaves and I'm going to put a leaf in between each. Got the colors of the Italian flag going on here. Smells so good, fresh basil. I don't think too much comes close to it. Fresh rosemary's right up there. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my little plate here. Hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is important too. You gotta have some nice fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of salt. And then a nice drizzle of olive oil. Amarón. Look at that beauty. So simple. These, what, 5 minutes maybe? 3 minutes? All right. Number 1 out of the way. Clean up my mess here. I'll get on to number 2. Okay, on to the next little Caprese delight. Caprese kebabs. Again, so simple. You take the little cherry mozzarella, you get it on a skewer. Go ahead and get a basil leaf. A basil leaf on there. Finish it off with a tomato. And there you go. You just start building little kebabs. People can just grab them, pop them in their mouth. So I'll make a bunch of these up so I can take a really nice picture. Then we'll try one out. And then we'll talk really cool shit about this stuff. As you can see, we've got quite a few little Caprese kebabs all made up. So now what I'm going to do, again, hit them with a little bit of pepper and salt. A little bit of olive oil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. And if you have some balsamic glaze, you could also hit them with that as well. A little bit of a drizzle. Just kind of drizzle on like that. And you can drizzle on your other Caprese as well, making it look so beautiful and gorgeous. There you go. 2 simple Italian antipastis that you can have during the summer. Take to a friend's house, take to that barbecue or picnic, and there you have it right there. Now, let's go in and give one of these a try. I'm going to do it this way because I can just grab onto this in all one shot. Right, here we go. All one little gob. Holy smokes, you're gonna make that, again, so simple. Now you're probably wondering, how the heck in the world am I gonna cut that? It's very simple. Just take your knife, this is shareable. There's obviously enough for 2 people here. You just take a knife and you slice down through each slice and you're good to go. If you're just trying to wow your friends with a little presentation, go that way. Otherwise, just go ahead and slice all the way through and layer it out. But I thought that looked really nice. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly share. And right over here, go ahead and knock on my logo. It makes it much easier for you to subscribe. So until next time, thanks and we'll see you.